last couple of lessons I've been talking about linear functions, and now I want to talk about linear relations. So linear functions allow us to have all sorts of things. They allow us to have lines that look like all sorts of things. They allow us to have lines that look like this, lines like this, lines like this, lines like this, lines like this. But the one thing that they're not allowed to do is to have lines that look like this, vertical lines. Vertical lines are relations. They are not functions, they're relations. We're going to go into a little bit more detail later, but let's talk about linear relations. They're quite straightforward. They come in a simple form. X is equal to b, where b is the x-intercept. It's a different b than the one we saw in the general form, so it's not the same as the b in ax plus by plus c equals 0. It has nothing to do with that except for the fact that they are both straight lines. So x equals b. So let's really quickly sketch a few. So for example, if I have the function x is equal to 3, to sketch it, we just draw up our axes. And it's x equals 3, so we go 1, 2, 3, and then we just draw a vertical line straight there. And that is the x equals 3. Now, if instead we were given a function, all we need to do is recognize that a, it is going to be of the form x equals b, and the intercept in particular is -1, -2, -3. Therefore, b is equal to -3, therefore x is equal to -3 is the name of the function. Okay, so relations are really useful because they just allow us to go through and do that. Just before we move on though, I just want to remind ourselves of horizontal lines because they also exist. So the equation of a horizontal line is just y is equal to c. No mx part. Why? Because the gradient in this case, the m, is equal to 0. It's got no gradient, meaning it's neither going up nor is it going down. It's going flat. So linear, that is still a linear function. Horizontal lines are. So this is a horizontal line. So if we want to sketch this first one, we can see that y is equal to 4.5. And in this particular case, we can just go along to y 1, 2, 3, 4.5 and draw a nice horizontal line going through there. And that would be y equal to 4.5. That's how you'd sketch it. And for the reverse, all you need to do is instead count. So it's -1, -2, -3, -4. It's a horizontal line, so it's a y equals c, and in this case, c, the y-intercept, is equal to -4. So y is equal to -4, and that is indeed the equation of that line. Alrighty, so there's a quick introduction to linear relations as well as horizontal lines. See you in the next one. Goodbye.